So this is our quick room tour sa Boracay. So first things first, of course, i-open natin ang ating room. So this one, we booked our room sa Henan Lagoon. Of course, this is not a front beach or beachfront na hotel, but then Henan is Henan. And first, eto, pumasok na tayo sa ating bathroom area. Actually, this is not our room talaga na binook. But then we upgraded our room since we wanted to check in already. Cause yung room na available for us, I mean the original booking that we had is the normal check-in time ang inaalaw nila. So since we are pagod na pareho, we opted to upgrade the room na merong bathtub, and then we can already check in kasi available naman yung room. So ayan, pinakita ko na yung libreng shampoo, lotion, conditioner, and sabon ni Henan. So, sa lahat ng Henan room or Henan na nabook mo, meron niyang libre. And of course, ito yung room ng Premier. Meron siyang TV, of course. Merong ref, merong study table, at may area where you can work, of course. And then, ito yung view namin sa labas. Actually, this is not yung talagang room na ginagamit namin because this is our only first day room kasi nagpa-change kami into yung harap mismo ng Henan. Nakita yung pinaka main pool. So, ayun, nagpa-change lang kami talaga totally. So, ito yung bed and I wanna sleep na already kasi pagod na pagod. So, guys, see you for more. Bye!